Hello and welcome. In this video I have made a React Redux application with CDNs only, downloaded from their respective website. The CDNs as always injected inside the JS folder as you can see here, and initialized in the index.html, and all the components are listed below using the data plugin transformer modules UMD, and the store are inside the app folder, and inside the features folder you've got a post slice, post lists and header form. And the application is just a normal basic application, React JS first test. You save the post and you've got the post below here. If you like it, share it with your friends, and you can find the source code in the description below. Thank you for watching.